Hey guys, welcome back to another 3D design tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be making a rocket using edit mode and adding some background elements to it. So these are the steps we're going to be following for our project today, and I would highly recommend you guys to pause the video and try it yourself first before following along with the video. So let's start off by creating a new file. We can delete the default cube that comes with it, and let's add a cylinder. After adding the cylinder, let's go into edit mode. And the first step to do is to select the top face, extrude it once, and extrude it again. And with the topmost face of the cylinder, we can scale it down like this to make the nose of the rocket. And if you want, you can select the face, bring it upwards a bit till you like it. You can also bring these upwards to make it look a bit taller. And now let's go to the bottom of our rocket and let's select 4 edges from the bottom face that are across from each other. Like this. And now, if you press S and scale them upwards, you should see rocket fins forming like that. And we can add more loop cuts over here in the center, so we can use them while adding colors to our rocket. So now that we're done modeling the rocket, we can go ahead and add colors to the rocket. So let's add a base red color. And now we can go into edit mode and add another secondary color. Let's make it blue. And now I'm going to select all of the fins and assign them the blue color. I can also select all the faces surrounding over here by pressing Alt and selecting one of the faces. And this does a ring select for me, so it selects all the faces surrounding. And now, if we go up here to select and click on check or deselect, it's going to do what it exactly says. Have them alternating each other. And now we can select blue and assign the color. So now we have a bit of variety to it. And the challenge for you guys now is to create a background scene for our rocket, as you can see on the screen, and render it. So that's it for today's project. And in the next video, we're going to be making an abstract room using the shading tab and nodes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.